Hi everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to set up Trifold Brochure in Adobe Illustrator. So before we start the lesson, please subscribe my channel for more video tutorials later. So let's start the lesson. Go to File and take two artboards for these stars. So I select letter size, orientation type as landscape. So I need two artboards. So I just click here and make two artboards. So you need a bleed for this brochure. So just click here and make 0, 1 to 5 inches bleed color mode as RGB. And now we have RGB color mode. So we have to change this color mode to CMYK color by clicking more settings. So here color mode must be changed to CMYK. So others are okay. Now create document. Okay, now we have two separate artboards. So we have to divide these artboards for three parts. To do that, I select rectangle tool. Okay, here view these numbers width as 3.66. Height is not going to change. It remains 8.5 inches and click OK. Now we have a rectangle. So select this rectangle and place here. Okay. Now remove the stroke around this rectangle. Okay, now we have a rectangle. Now we need to copy this rectangle. So for that, I select this rectangle and go to Object, Transform, and Move. Object, Transform, and Move. Here, give these numbers. Horizontal. The horizontal we have to be 3.66 inches. Don't change the vertical number. Sorry, you have to change the vertical as 0. So copy this artboard. Okay, now we have two artboards. We need another one. So select second rectangle and go to Object, Transform, and Move. So you can see the shortcut for this task Control Shift M. You can select that also. So I select this one and don't change the numbers. You just remain the numbers horizontal 3.66, vertical as 0. Now copy again. Okay, now we have three separate artboards. Okay, I just copied these rectangles for second artboard also. Now you can select all the rectangles. We have 6 rectangles and press Ctrl 5 to make guides. Okay, now we have these separate parts for starting our trifold brochure. So this part is the front cover. This is the front cover. Is the front cover. So this one is the back cover. This one is the fall to the middle. This is fall into middle. Okay, this is how this will be. So this one is the inside spread of this trifold brochure. This one is this whole cardboard is the inside aspect of your trifold brochure. So this is how setting up your trifold brochure in Illustrator. So please subscribe my channel for more videos in Illustrator. See you. See you. Bye. Thank you for watching this tutorial.